Hi, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Look who I got. It's the OG.
Yeah.
He's going to show me, he's actually showed me, but he's going to supervise me upgrading your electrical sockets. So make sure you subscribe now. Okay, so I got you guys flipped around and I got the light on the socket and we're going to go down and I'm going to go pull the power off, put the power off. That's a safety tip for you. Make sure it's off.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, so the breaker's off, so we know that it is safe to remove this. If you don't do that and you electrocute yourself, I'm not responsible. Okay. I had a quick tutorial from the OG on how to do this, so we're gonna get this out first. Now, I don't do electrical. It's not my thing. So this is a new experience for me. It's the first time I've ever done anything with electrical, and I gotta admit, I'm terrified. All right, ready? Oh, wrong way. Yeah, that's why you're supervising, right, Papa? Yep, you gotta just take this out. Unscrew the top and the bottom, and then you're gonna pull this all the way out. Ooh, and it's a single, yay. Okay, so this is your ground wire. That's on the bottom of all your electrical. It should be, if it's not, call an electrician. And then on the one side, you have your white and your black. So this is also a push-in, Papa.
Yep.
These are locked, yeah, so I have to cut them?
Yeah, just cut them.
Okay,
Just
so
cut
we
them
got
close to the plug-in as you can.
as close to the plug-in as I can get. So I got my wire cutters. And now some of them are wrapped around these sprockets here, so you would not need to do this because you could just unscrew them. But because this one is a push-in model in the back, we're gonna clip them. But I'm gonna undo this one.
I can cut that one too.
You want me to cut that one too?
Just cut it real close to it. That way they'll all be about the same length.
All right. So we've got that one off. So I'm gonna hold this up so you can see. This is a push-in model, and the top greener USB plug that I've got, that I ordered from Amazon and had pretty good reviews, also has this system. So it has the push-in. We've installed one already, and he showed me how to do it. So it has the push-ins back here, and the neutral is the white, right, Dad? So it says right here neutral, so that's where your white's gonna go, and hot is your black, and that's where that's gonna go. And then right down here is where the copper goes, that's your ground. So that's what you install first, is your ground. Make sure it's upright, yeah. So I'm gonna slide that right down in there. And there's a channel there for it. So you wanna make sure it is in the right place, and then tighten it down. And Dad says the #1 mistake people make is
You don't tighten it,
don't tighten it tight enough. So I'm gonna wrench this down. And then the plug socket heats up. I'm gonna tug on it and make sure it's in there. It's not coming out. I think I wrenched it down good enough. And then we're gonna strip back this wire. This is the stripper. So if you've never seen one of these before, they're not very expensive. I have one in my toolkit. This is Dad's, but it has different sizes of wires. So you just find the one that's your wire size. Make it long enough, okay? And it doesn't go directly through the wire, it just pulls the shielding off. I'm too big. Right, Dad? And then it pulls the shielding right off. Is that long enough?
That's long enough.
Okay.
Do both of them
Alright. That wasn't too painful. Off that goes. Alright, now here's the magic. Magic happens here. So I've got my white.
Make sure that's white, not painted.
It's white. This one's painted. That's the black.
Black.
So yeah, you got to make sure you're working with the right wires. So my painters came in and sprayed, and of course they painted this slightly white. So make sure you got the right one. So I'm going to put it in the neutral slot. And it's all the way in there, but on this particular model, you still have to tighten this screw down. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. You want to tighten that down. Tug on it, make sure it's not going to come out of there. So it's in there good. And this side doesn't want to go in. There we go. All right, gotta wiggle that one in there. All right, so we got the black and the hot. Tighten that down. Oop. I hate flathead screwdrivers. That wrench down, and tug on the back. Now these come with a cover that just snaps into place, and it's on there right now. So I'm gonna pull that off. So this just has a cover that snaps on, no screws needed, but you're still gonna need to screw this down. So what we learned on the last one is this is just a plate cover on there. I'm gonna take that off. Do I need to take it off?
Can you get to those screws?
Yeah.
Yeah, just screw it in.
All right, then we're gonna screw it in. You took it off last time, but we're not gonna do it this time. We're not doing that.
I was missing a screw.
Oh, that's right, you were missing a screw.
Line it up with the box.
Yeah, so the box in there has holes for the screws. So you have to kind of look to the side and line it up. And then we're gonna use the drill, switch it to screw it tight. And it should go in fairly simple if you're lined up correctly. You shouldn't be forcing it. It should take some effort though. I have inadvertently not had it in the hole and just, it should screw down to something. I'm taking my time here. These are nice because these do fit in the standard socket. I read online there were some available on Amazon that were too deep for a standard box. So make sure you read those reviews and make sure you have the correct socket depth. Then that snaps on. I haven't done any time lapse. That's exactly how long it took. So I'm gonna plug the light back in. Let's see if the light comes on. If I did it right, Dad. And I'll put the power back on. Now you do a happy dance. So I'm going to try the actual USB port. See if it works here. See if it charges. Well, if I know how to put it in. And it's charging! Works great. So that was 9 minutes and 52 seconds. And that was including me going out to the garage and finding the right breaker. That's a pretty easy fix for, sorry about the backlighting. That's a really simple and inexpensive upgrade to your house. So if you're selling a house and you want to put device plugins in your kitchen or your entryway, or even if you're not selling your house, and you always put your phone in the entryway, but you have a separate charger and they break all the time, this is a really easy upgrade for your house. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't yet gotten your Junkin Buddy or Happy Junkin t-shirt, click the links below. And if you want Dad's duct tape can't fix stupid, but it can muffle it for a while, I found it on Amazon. I'll put a link below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.